For today's video, we're going to use ChatGPT to create a product image. But if you want the result to look professional and realistic, it's important to start with a product photo, even if it's just taken with your phone. And of course, the better your prompt is, the better the result will be. Here are the 3 sample product photos I generated using ChatGPT. A studio shot, a creative studio style shot, and a more natural looking product photo. To start the process, I'm going to use this photo that I took with my phone. Nothing special, no good lighting, and no good background. So on ChatGPT, press the plus sign to add your reference image. Then after that, add the first prompt to create a studio style product photo. All the prompts will be posted in the description box so it's easy for you to copy them. Then press enter to proceed the process. So here is the first result. So let's generate the next one using the second prompt. You can basically customize the provided prompt. You can be specific about what you want, such as the colors and style, and you can also include the exact size that you need. Remember, it takes time to generate the final image, so please be patient. So here is the second product photo using the second prompt. So let's use the third prompt. Follow the same process, attach the reference image, then paste and customize the prompt, and press enter. Once again, all the prompts are available in the description below. So here is the third generated photo using the third prompt. It looks more natural. To get the high resolution file, just click the image and then press save. Once again, here are the 3 different kinds of product images created from one reference photo using 3 different prompts. We have a professional studio shot, a creative studio shot, and a more natural high-resolution shot. We were able to achieve these professional-looking photos without spending anything. However, with a free ChatGPT account, we can only generate up to 4 images every 24 hours. So if you want to learn more about e-commerce, please hit like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell below. And if you have any question, please leave us a comment. See ya!